Hello, what's up, guys? How are you, everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have Lexus and I will show you how to diagnose this car with computer. Okay, and if the video is helpful for you, be sure subscribe my channel, like, share and comment please if you need more video like this. Okay, this is my computer and this is OBD wire, OBD2. OBD2, and this is OBD wire in the car. You can see white color. Oh, it's need to be connected. See, I connect. Then you have to switch on your car. Okay, see, switch on, and then you have to turn on your computer. See, like this, turn on diagnostic. And this car is Lexus, so I search Lexus. See, Lexus, search Lexus. Any car, if you have Toyota, Lexus. Automatic selection. Read the VIN number. Reading needs some time. And this car is IS350. Select IS350. Your car, which model and which version, you select like this. Okay, 2011. It's don't have radar, and yes. See, you can see voltage also. See, computer corner 12.1 volt. Diagnosis. Auto scan. I need to see if my car any fault is there or not. Engine pass, no fault. Transmission pass, no fault. ABS and traction pass, no fault. Brake system, no. And SRS means airbag, no fault. Communication meter, no fault. Body control, rain sensor, right mirror, left mirror. My sliding roof, passenger seat, driver seat, body control 5, 3, master switch, gateway control module. Everything is proper, no fault. Air condition, then park assist monitor, EMPS, electronics monitoring power system. My power steering have fault. Okay, I need to see which fault. Then you scroll down when it's 100% finished. I need to see my power steering. Press. See, everything no fault. I need to see EMPS. Okay, read code, trouble code. Torque sensor 0 point adjustment not performed. Oh, I need to program torque sensor, that's why it's fault coming. Same like this, you can check every car and any fault is there or not. Every car scanning system same like this. Okay.